Nothing makes me want to buy chocolate like rats eating it.
I can't tell if this is good for our brand or not, but it's funny. All right, now the $1,000 commercial.
We're dropping Thowies. The zoom in. Oh.
Tariq would nerd out about this.
Tariq's like, all right, this is the best one yet.
Oh, that was sweet.
I'm sorry, but I'm not kissing somebody the second they eat chocolate.
Oh, they bought a jersey, high effort.
Oh no, he's out of Feastables.
If you're wondering where you can buy Feastables, go to Walmart.
Go to Walmart.